How to fix SoundCloud not available in your country. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're wondering how, you may follow up this step. So go ahead and open up your settings of your device. And then once you open up settings, you may scroll down and go over to the option that says apps. Tap on it. And then after tapping on apps, you may go ahead and locate up SoundCloud here. And then once you open up SoundCloud settings, you need to scroll down, go over to storage, and then clear the cache and also clear data. Once that is done, force stop the app as well, and then go ahead and restart the application. Go over to the app and see if it is working or not. So this is the solution you can follow up otherwise. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.